There are 4 main benefits for excavator plant hire companies for fitting bolt-on side protectors to bladed digging buckets. So continue watching to find out more. The Rhinox bolt-on side protector is designed to do the same job as a side cutter tooth when you're fitting bolt-on blades to your digging buckets. When you fit the Rhinox bolt-on side protector, it is a cost-effective solution to reducing extreme wear on your buckets, especially the edge. When fitting the Rhinox bolt-on side protectors to your bladed digging buckets, it offers several benefits. So let's take a closer look. Number 1, reduced replacement costs. Fitting the Rhinox bolt-on side protectors to your bladed digging buckets can extend the life of your buckets by up to 3 times, meaning that you have to less frequently replace your buckets. That's a big cost saver. And by protecting high wear areas like the leading edge and lip plate, the bolt-on side protectors prevent premature wear, which prevents the bucket edges themselves from wearing back and attacking the weld between the leading edge and the lip plate. Number 2 is cost-effective maintenance. Instead of having to replace the entire bucket, you can just reverse or replace the bolt-on cutting edge and replace the bolt-on side protectors. This means that the bolt-on side protector is a much more cost-effective solution than having to keep replacing your buckets. The replacement bolt-on side protectors and BladeX packages are available directly from Rhinox. So the small initial extra outlay on using the bolt-on side protectors is outweighed by the cost savings on the long-term life of your buckets. So by adding bolt-on blades and the bolt-on side protector, this has to be the most cost-effective way of maintaining and getting longevity out of your bucket fleet. Number 3, improved equipment reliability. A well-maintained bucket fleet is essential to operational efficiency. As you well know, equipment that is well-maintained and in good condition performs more reliably on site, minimizing the risk of downtime and breakdown. So Rhinox has produced a product that will optimize your bucket wear resistance, meaning that the chances of you having to be called out to site unexpectedly or prematurely almost goes away. And number 4, enhanced customer satisfaction. Reliable, high quality attachments not only ensure smoother operation for your customers, but also plays a key role in building lasting customer relationships. Providing durable and well-maintained products gives you credibility. It also shows that you take pride in your fleet and that you are intent on supplying cutting-edge, market-leading, great performance products. This attention to detail builds trust and enhances your credibility, meaning you're far more likely to get repeat business. People are happy to refer you. Showing that you care about what you put out to your customers means a world. So by fitting the Rhinox bolt-on side protectors to your buckets, it's not only cost effective for you, but it gives you the competitive edge when you're out there in the marketplace, and sometimes just that little tweak can make a big difference. The Rhinox bolt-on side protectors isn't just compatible with the Rhinox buckets, it's also compatible with many bucket manufacturers in the marketplace, so you can easily and with a very low cost upgrade your existing buckets. The Rhinox bolt-on side protector is available for bladed digging buckets from 1.5 tons up to 8 tons. To ensure that the buckets that you already have on your fleet are compatible with the Rhinox bolt-on side protector, you need to ensure that your 1.5 to 4 ton buckets work on the standard Kubota bolt-on pattern and your 5 to 8 ton work on the standard JCB bolt-on pattern. You can choose to purchase your Rhinox digging buckets with our BladeX and bolt-on side protector kit, or you can order them separately and retrofit either your Rhinox buckets or the other buckets they have on your fleet. You can shop online, or you can call and speak to our customer service team, or reach out to your rep. Whichever way that you want to reach out, we're there to support you. Are you wondering, should I be fitting hydraulic couplers to my hire fleet? Well, check out this video here. And don't forget to subscribe. You can't afford to miss out on any more of Rhinox videos. Well, reach out. No, rubbish. Of the market manufactured product.